Okay, let's get started in creating our first web page. First thing you need to do is load Notepad++. I'm going to find it here amongst all my bits and pieces, and Notepad++. Yes, I have a lot of crap on here. Load Notepad++ and go File, New to start a new file, and start by putting in the tags that are essential. So start off with the HTML tag. Underneath that you can put in title and close the title tag. Underneath that oops, missed one there. Close that one. Start with your body tag, close it, and then finally your end HTML tag. Noticing that the beginning ones are just the tags on their own, and the ending ones all have slashes on them, and they kind of sit nested, where this HTML one is the start, that's the end, start head, bottom head, start body, end body, and the content goes in between them. At the moment it's not a HTML file, so let's just tell Notepad it's HTML file. So I'm going to go File, choose Save As. I'll call it my page 2, and down here on this little arrow here I'm going to go up and I'm going to select Hypertext Markup Language File. So click on that and click on Save. Notice automatically it will do all the color coding for us. So let's start putting some content in. First thing I'm going to do is put a title in. Just call it my first page. And then let's put some tags in. The tags go between the body tags. So the body is what you will see on your page, what gets displayed. So we'll put in the header tags that we just learned. Say opening H1. This is header 1, and then close the tag. Same thing for a header 2. This is header 2, and close the tag. Notice that the text is black and the tags remain, I guess I'd call it a blue color. If you actually make a mistake and you forget to put an end angle bracket or anything like that on it, it will actually color code quite differently. For example, you can see now while I'm part way through and I haven't put the closing angle bracket, that the word body underneath is red. Just bear with me while I type this, we're nearly there. H4, and we'll go H5, getting a bit lazy now. You can hear my clack, 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 clack of the keyboard. H6, 6, and slash H6, like so. So we've now finished, so the next thing to do is to save it. So I'm just going to click on Save, because we've already given it a name, we don't need to re-give it a name. It so far looks okay, so let's see what it looks like. We know what we need to do is we need to test it, so we click on Run, and we decide which browser we're going to go. I've got lots of browsers installed, so I have plenty of choices, but I'll just go with the Microsoft option to start off with, and I'll just click on Launch in IE. And there it is. You can see this is the information that we've just put in. Varying sizes, as I said, the header and described in the notes that they're various size text. The title will be up the top here. You can see that on the tab, my first page. It actually, anything within the head section of your HTML doesn't actually display in the content area, but displays up on the head here. So there it is, our first web page, and it's working. Woohoo!